What does Square Food mean to me?
Families in this area couldn't survive without Square Food.
I feel that I'm at heart of the community.
It is one of the highlights of my life.
I love working here. It's a beautiful space. There's a lot of magic happens here.
At Square Food Foundation, there's a class or volunteering opportunity for everyone.
I had an image of being a chef, but since joining the course, it kind of put me on track.
Originally I came to Square Food because my girls done classes, and then after that I became a volunteer.
I'd done Cooking Connections course with UC.
At Square Food Foundation, anyone can learn to make delicious meals from scratch.
I realised that I could do more in my life. Anyone could learn how to cook, disability or not.
Being a former veteran, you don't have to worry about cooking, it's all done for you. So coming here, I'm learning to cook and understand the recipes.
Best thing the kids have come away with. My kids learned to cook because I'm disabled, so they have to cook for me now. So without the skills they learned here, they wouldn't have ever been able to do that.
And it's not only about learning to cook.
People get together, they build connections, reduce social isolation, lovely friendly chats, just joy of cooking, really. We all need more joy in our lives.
Mostly a lot of it was healthy food. It actually showed me how much rubbish I was eating. So nowadays, when I want something, I will actually cook it myself.
Being able to do activities with my kids, because my daughter's got autism, she won't do anything on her own, so the fact that we can come together as a family and learn new skills and meet new people, so much better for our lifestyle.
At the end of the cooking session, we get to sit down together to enjoy what we've cooked, and I really enjoy that I get to socialise. It has helped me with regards to being on my own.
They offered a small little program. I went into this Michelin star place as 6-week trials, and then at the end he offered me a part-time job.
Square Food Foundation uses food and cooking to transform lives.
I'm sure over the years it has been changing with so many people's lives. Some of them have been coming since the beginning, over 10 years ago. They must be feeling so welcome. I can see in their eyes when they're coming through the door, they are so happy to be here.
I've been called to City Hall to collect an award, having been recognised that I've provided food in the community. This has been a big turning point for me since coming to Square Food Foundation.
Square Food gave me all the skills I needed to become a chef, and then they supported me afterwards to actually become a chef.
Everybody was lovely and it was amazing to be here.
I'd like to say a massive thank you to the people at Square Food Foundation for everything you've done for me and my children. I love it here, we eat healthier, and life wouldn't be the same without you guys.
If you'd like to get involved and find out more, check out our website.